We're going to do a brief video on GameStop Stock, GME Stock, with technical analysis, and we've got a daily chart here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. We can see this stock's been flirting with a bear market for a long time, starting back in December of 2021. Came up here, attacked the 200-day in late March of 22, and again in early August of 22, and now it's doing it today. This stock is up currently 7%, up $2, trading at about $30.18. Volume is 16 million shares on an average daily volume of 5 million shares, and it's a little after 11 o'clock on the 31st of October. Let's take a quick look at this stock. Again, we can see the stock, you really can't describe it as a bear market. Technically, it's below the 200-day moving average, so it is technically a bear market, but it's really just sideways. If we put a line right here, we can see this stock's been trading at around the $32 range all the way back since January. So I would say that this stock is flirting with a bear market, but it's really not. And so if we take a quick look here, we can see that we had a very, very steep downtrend here starting in August, and then nothing but sideways movement oscillating around the $26 level, and now today we've got this enormous rally. So what's going on? Well, there's several things that could be going on. You'll notice that these aren't really necessarily all higher bottoms. It's just basically sideways movement. So why would we have a short covering rally if that's what people would describe this as? I don't know that I buy into that. It's not oversold, so I don't know if I buy into that. Why would we have a rally in the stock? Just people stepping up and buying it? That's another question. That's we'll take a look here at the 1 hour chart in a minute, but I'm not too sure I buy into that either. So let's just take a look and see what's going on with an hourly chart. Now here's on an hourly chart, we can see this stock had sold off first. The first thing is this is a 200-day moving average, a 200-hour moving average in blue, and we broke below it back here in August. Now that's pretty standard. Most of them have been breaking below the 200-hour moving average in late August, some of them in early September. So this one was essentially below it all the way up until right around here, the 25th of October, let's call it. So we flirted with it. I definitely wouldn't say this was an oversold. This was not, in my opinion, an oversold condition. So what would prompt this kind of rally? The only thing I can think of is you have a tremendous number of people who must have tried to short this stock at around $27.75 and got caught. That's a possibility, but that wouldn't be a very good place to short this stock given the fact that it already showed support at a higher bottom right here at 25.20. So not really sure what's going on with this. This looks like new money to me. The stock may be finally out of its flirting with a bear market. I'd show you the weekly chart. I can show it to you briefly. It's a disaster. You really can't. There's not much. This is like an hourly chart, and it's actually a weekly chart. So there's not much we can glean from that other than to say that it wasn't oversold. I mean, the stock just was not oversold. It hadn't even violated 23, 22 bucks here for a long time, for more than a month. So I would not say the stock was oversold, and therefore I don't necessarily think this is a short covering rally. It could be, but volume on this stock is 16 million shares today. Normal volume was 5 million shares. So something's going on. But my guess is this is new money coming in here trying to buy this stock and see there must be something else going on here. I'm not really sure, but it definitely is not normal technical analysis for this stock. Let's go back to the daily. It's not conforming to normal technical analysis. This is, again, is a daily stock. What we can say for sure is it's broken through the 200-day moving average. I do not believe the stock's going to continue and start a new bear market and put this price up to 40s. I think that basically we're still in a sideways market. You can see the way this stock historically trades. It goes up and sells off by at least 8 to 10 bucks every time it goes up. So my guess is this stock may go up a little bit higher, and then we're going to probably sell right back down, probably 7 or 8 bucks from the ultimate high that it puts in here, which is very hard to say, but probably not higher than 37, 38 bucks. Let's see if RBM Research covers this stock. I don't know if we do or not. Let's put this in here real quick. GME is a symbol, and we do cover it. So it put on here no entry prices for today, which is interesting, but it probably would have gapped above our entry prices anyways. But no entry prices on GameStop today. We do put out entry prices every morning. Today is the 31st. We put them out every morning for 190 stocks. You can get access to all of them for free. They're all algorithmically generated entry prices for 190 stocks, the most liquid futures contracts, BTC crypto, and the major forex pairs. Absolutely free, no credit card required. Link in the description below. Just follow it over to rbamresearch.com and get immediate access to all of that by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment, including our commentary and the entry prices. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. Everything, of course, is opinion, and again, for entertainment purposes only. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.